validate now.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump straight into this. We're working with Nadula hair today. I've worked with this company before and I like their hair, so we're gonna try out their V-part wig. So everything that came with the wig, I'm gonna show you guys now. I got 2 wig caps and also like a little bag of goodies. So let's see what's in here. And the companies have been coming through with the goodies lately, so period. We got some lashes. We've got a bonnet. I swear every company has had a bonnet. Black bonnet. Sometimes they kind of smell funny, but it doesn't smell funny. So the makeup brush. Okay. And then also this that goes around the edges when you want to lay your edges down. So y'all, I have my hair out. You know, I did put like a little bit of leave out. Let me back up for you guys so you can see. I didn't put a lot of leave out. The great thing about these V-part wigs, y'all, is you do not have to put that much hair out. I really don't have much leave out. I did kind of like smooth this side or whatever, and I parted it kind of like a curve. So we'll see how this works with the V-part wig. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. I'm excited. So I haven't really been co-washing these V-part wigs, so you guys can kind of like see it in its natural state of like how it comes when it comes out of the package. So I'm just opening this, y'all. This is the first time I've opened it. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is BODYWAVE and it's 24 inches. So it's kind of long. So this is the inside of the wig, y'all. So we have the 2 combs up there, the 2 combs in the middle part, and then one down at the bottom, and then also these 2 combs on the side, and then one right here where the adjustable straps are. So we need all the combs we can get. So I'm gonna pop all of them open because these are the snap kind that you snap like that.
Validate now.
Okay guys, so this is what it ended up looking like. It's really pretty. It's a little bit bulky right here, just a little bit, and that's because of the size of the wig, because I did put a little bit of a hot comb on that part. But besides that, it looks really, really good. I still wanted to do like my little side part like that. So I'm gonna keep this BODYWAVE hair in this state. I'm not gonna curl it, I'm not gonna straighten it. I'm just gonna take this liquid mousse, and I'm also gonna take this bristle brush right here, and I'm just going to brush my own hair, because I feel like with my own hair you kind of have to get in there a little bit, and this will really make it look like flat and blend a little bit better. And this liquid mousse comes in a bigger bottle as well. I always just get the small bottle because I don't really use it as much like on my wig. Sometimes I'll use it like on my own hair if I'm doing like ponytails and stuff. But it definitely smells like the Beauty Shop. Smells good. So it did make it look a little bit more like sleek and seamless. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this side. But yeah, it's just gonna hold it in place really good. And that's like the look that I kind of wanted. Y'all, I'm about to go take pictures in this hair, so you guys will see me taking pictures. Okay, y'all, so I'm excited to show y'all. So this is what the waves is looking like. This is what it's giving, y'all. The waves are waving. My hair blended in really, really well. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna use some of this style booster, and I'm gonna fix some of these edges. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go take pictures in this wig. I love the V-part wigs because they just looked so natural. You cannot tell anything. So that's why I like them. But yeah, I just wanted to like fix my edges a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair was looking like. It is looking definitely like so in vibes. It is giving very much tape in vibe. But yeah, y'all, so I really like this hair. Definitely make sure you guys give this a thumbs up if you like it too. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, girl. Don't be watching my videos and not subscribing, okay? Definitely can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.